I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Xiaomi Black Shark smartphone shipping with a 5.99-inch display and a 2160x1080 resolution. The Black Shark does not feature a 120Hz panel, but it makes it up in other ways. Firstly, the handset exudes a brightness up to 550 nits and has a color gamut that goes to 97%. As usual, an Android gaming smartphone would not be complete without the presence of a Snapdragon 845 and high amounts of RAM. The Black Shark is going to be offered in two models. One will get 6GB of RAM with 64GB of UFS 2.1 storage, while the best possible configuration will give you 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The last model will be more than sufficient to store an abundant number of gaming titles and media, plus allow to open up a significant number of applications and run them in the background. In short, it can become your daily driver and act as your portable entertainment hub at the same time. To keep everything juiced up, the Black Shark sports a 4,000 mAh battery, which is slightly larger than the competition and features the same capacity as the cell present in the Razer phone. You also get support for Bluetooth 4.0, and Black Shark has introduced a gaming controller to make your gaming sessions more tolerable. This gaming controller is also compatible with other smartphones, so it is not like you are limited to just a single device. For the same camera side of things, you have a 12MP dual camera with a wide f/1.7 aperture. Hopefully, the camera is not going to be as egregious as the one present on the Razer phone. The front-facing camera is a 20MP shooter, which is also a nice touch to have. You can charge the Black Shark using a Type-C USB port, and it also supports fast charging. Having a Snapdragon 845 running at the same frequency for prolonged periods will force its octa-core processor to throttle when it reaches a certain temperature. Fortunately, the Black Shark employs a unique cooling solution which the company is referring to as liquid cooling. It will allow the processor to run 8 degrees Celsius cooler, so it is very unlikely that you will run into throttling problems while gaming. You also have smart speakers present on the gaming smartphone for a near surround experience. Unfortunately, there is no mention of a headphone jack anywhere on the device, so it must mean that it is going to be shipped without one.